If we look at the MAX 78,000 AI microcontroller from Maxim, we see that it has a convolutional neural network accelerator. Let us look at what is convolutional neural network accelerator. Neural networks are a subset of machine learning. When we say deep learning algorithms, these neural networks are base for these algorithms. Various types of neural networks are recurrent neural networks and convolutional neural networks. Recurrent neural networks are commonly used for natural language processing and speech recognition. Natural language processing, NLP, is a field of artificial intelligence, AI, that focuses on how computers and humans interact in natural language. Speech recognition is the process of enabling a computer to identify and respond to the sounds produced. Convolutional neural networks, in short called CNN, are more utilized for classification and computer vision tasks. That means any artificial intelligence application which uses camera and vision use convolutional neural network. Convolutional neural networks require high computing capability and high processing capability CPU are required. AI/ML accelerators, also known as a deep learning processor or neural processing unit, NPU, is a specialized hardware system that speeds up applications for artificial intelligence and machine learning. In MAX 78,000, it is the convolutional neural network accelerator that helps speed up the vision applications.